some more welding on the frame, fixing up all the cracks, all the nonsense, even down here, down there. We're gonna have to put a support in here somehow, eh? See what happens. Okay, just I got the hubs back now for I just want to see. Right, so now we've got the new studs put in, machined and everything. We might have to cut them off because obviously they are a lot longer than these, but now we will be able to get all four wheels on and see what happens. Cool. Okay, so we're busy now fitting up the hub, which fits. We have to cut those bolts off still. That's going to go on here. But now we've got an issue with one of the brake actuators. Where is the actuator? Let me see. Because we had a stripped thread in there, which we had to, I can't see properly.
Okay, there.
Yeah, which we had to drill out and retap. And now we're putting another stud in there because otherwise we're not going to have brakes. So all that is very important. Cool. Then we see how we go. Gerald, you must still straighten this tank. This tank's a bit skew.
We'll use this to
It's skew. It's skew. Something is skew
No,
here.
it's not. This is how it is. It doesn't go straight.
Oh, I see.
It's the way it is here. It's not skewed.
Oh, I see.
Because it goes straight. I measure this side and this side. It's on the edge.
Oh, all right. And we have to try and put that fuel line in still, and then do the handbrake lever. We're going to modify that. So you've got enough to do today. Lekker. Okay, cool. All right. So we've got the hubs on. We've got the brakes all on, connected. We're ready for a test here now. And then we can put the wheels on. You've done the handbrake there. That's working. You say how does it work? Just show us how it works. You got the seat back on. So we basically got all the mechanicals. What?
Is it locked now?
Now let me just see the wheel loose. But yeah, the wheel is tight. Okay. You come the handbrake off. So you got to push the brakes first. Release the handbrake, and there it's loose. Great. Okay, now pull the handbrake. You got to then. Okay, so you got to activate the. You've got to activate the pedal first, and then pull the handbrake up. So we've got brakes on both front wheels, and the back we don't know yet. We're going to run it now.
Now the back is. It's free. Must be free, but it's.
Okay, come. So let's start it, and let's go for drive. Okay, driver, let's go. Let's go. Here's our starter here. Hang on. Let's just see. Okay. That's our fuel pump. No, wait a minute. We need fuel first.
Okay.
Let's do that. Let's get some petrol here. Hasn't started in about a week. So let's see what happens. Where is it here? Here's the fuel line. Okay, there we go. Okay. We got action. We got action. There's the car on stands. So we've done the engineering work. Okay, Mr. Starter, let's go. Now, let's just get some earth here on the choke. Okay. There we go. How's that, man? How's that? Running lekker. Okay, let's see if we get some action here. Mind your hands on the prop shaft. We still got to adjust the clutch. Handbrake off. Handbrake. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay. Clutch. Gears. There we go. Aha! So why is that one not turning? Because of diff. Huh? But how tight is that wheel now? No, it wants to go, We need to give a bit more gas there, it wants to go. Hang on, let me give a bit more gas. That brake is a bit tight, I think. Let me just give a bit more gas here. Okay, start again. I'm just using the hand. Okay, go now. We're gonna idle it. We're gonna idle a bit higher. Hang on. Okay, go. I'm pulling the. Are we getting petrol? Hang on. I think I've stood here on the petrol pipe. That'll help. Okay, let's see. I'll give gas here. Not too far, not too far. Okay, go. Yeah, we're working. Keep it in. Wait, I want to keep it running. Keep it running. Keep the gear. There we go. Both wheels running. Lekker, 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 lekker. But now I want to run it for a while and see how hot the drums get. So there we go. There we go, there we go. There we go. Just let me go down on the idle. Let's put the fan on. Got to get the accelerator working here. Okay, just hit the brakes. Go. Okay, because they're not moving enough yet. We've got to adjust the brakes. We've got to adjust the brakes. Okay, well that's good enough. Alright, we'll switch off. We'll take it out of gear. Just take it out of gear. Just push it a little bit and take it out of gear. There we go. Alright.
The brakes not working enough.
Well, you need to adjust them, and they need to just see if they got hot.
Not a bit warm.
They're getting a bit warm. You see, this is the thing now. We've got to figure out how to adjust these brakes. How to adjust the brakes. So we've got to run it and run it and run it and see. Okay, how warm is it here? No, this one's cold. The other one's warmer, eh? Yeah. Anyway, it's not pulling enough. You see, it's not pulling enough. This business here, we need to adjust everything. We're not getting enough leverage somewhere. Yeah, but the front's working.
I think the front is working.
The front's working. So just push the brakes again. Let me move here. You see how easy this one's rolling. The other one isn't. Stop it. Boom. Yeah. But now it stops when you have you got the handbrake on.
Yeah.
Take the handbrake off. Okay, and just use the pedal. Yeah. Well, but now it's still free. Yeah. Cool. All right. So we just got to adjust the back nicely and then see how we go. But that's cool, man.
Yeah, it's loose here.
Where is it loose?
This one is going to the front.
Huh?
It's not loose.
Yeah, you see that one we need to.
Just this one, yeah.
Yeah, but why is the drum so tight as it is now? You know, it's too tight. We got to fiddle with this adjustment here now. Okay, we'll get there.
Wow, guys, she turned out very nicely, eh? I'm not happy about this mirror, but it is what it is now. The inside, the seats cleaned up beautifully. Mike, this job well done, eh? Door panel, the wood is nice done. everything. There's still a couple of trimmings that needs to go on, but damn, guys. From back that, there she is, to this. The blue looks nice, eh? So he's installed the 3 carbs, the E-type intake, and he's put the silver tappet cover on, or just the tappet covers. He cleaned it up very nicely, eh? We'll have a chat with him just now. Oh, and we've also installed that limited sub diff. That's all, folks. Thank you guys for joining our channel. Please subscribe, click the like button, share this video if you like. Actually, I would love you to share all my videos. We need some subscribers, and we need to get at least one of these builds done and maybe sold or do something about it. We are making progress, I think. Tell us what you see, what you guys think. Tell us what you guys think, and till next time, good night.